Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can block someone on Facebook on your iPhone. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, simply open your Facebook and then make sure that you are logged into your account. And from here, so if you want to search for a person, you can tap on this option right here. And then from here, you can simply search the person's name just like this. And then here you can see this is a person's profile. And from here, if you want to block this person, you can tap on this three-dot bar that you can see right here. Then you can get the option of block, tap on block, and then tap on block. And here you can see you have now successfully blocked that particular person. So you can tap on OK, but if you want to block your friend, here you'll have to now simply get to home. After getting to your home page, here you can get the option of friends right here. If you tap on this friends option right here, you can tap on the option of your friends. If you tap on your friends, here you'll get all of your friends. So if you want to block one of your friends, you'll have to tap on again the three-dot bar right here, then tap on block option. Just like this, tap on block one more time. And here we have now successfully blocked one of our friends. And just like this, you can block anyone on your Facebook in your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.